Hey everybody, it is Friday, April 2nd. Guess what next week is? Spring break. You guys have spring break next week, and so do I. I know most of us might not be going anywhere with everything closed and travel kind of limited, but get outside, put your device down by all means, and get outside if it's not raining and enjoy some fresh air, play some games with your family. But please, please put your device down for the week, okay? Let's just have a nice little break from all the online learning that you're doing. So for today, to finish out the week before spring break, you're going to read chapter 16, and then you are going to do a word list. All right, here's the PDF version of the story and Miss Anderson reading chapter 16. I really hope you're taking advantage of Miss Anderson reading the story because we would be doing that in class, reading it out loud. And if you're missing that, then you can certainly listen to Miss Anderson reading the story, okay? The word list, let me talk about it real quick. The word list says chapters 15 and 16, but really it's anywhere in the book up from chapters 1 to 16. You're going to create a word list of words they used in 1793 that we don't use today. For example, balderdash or bunkum. I'm not sure what that is. Words, so here's the column for that. Words used in 1793, unfamiliar today. You can scan through the book, find any 10 words that you want to put down, okay? Then this should be the fun part. Think of words that we're using today in 2020 that would sound unfamiliar in 2200. Granted, we don't know what will sound unfamiliar at that time, but it'll be fun to see your list of words. And I'll just give a shout out to Jaden, who told me the other day things were Gucci, and he had to tell me that means everything was good. Okay, so I expect to see Gucci on your list, Jaden, okay? But keep it clean. Make sure your words are appropriate. I don't want anything inappropriate on the list, okay? And that is what you need to do for this assignment, okay? We might add to this where we ask you guys to do a little presentation with these words, but we had it planned, and then I just kind of reworked some of the stuff, so that kind of came out of it. But enjoy your spring break, please. Take some time to yourself and your family. Enjoy the outdoors and get some rest, okay? See you all back on April 13th. Have a great spring break.